The 2019-20 Premier League match between Southampton and Leicester City at St Mary's Stadium, Southampton, took place on Friday, the 25th of October 2019. Leicester won the match 9-0, matching with Manchester United's 9-0 win against Ipswich Town in 1995 and, later on, the former's 9-0 win against Southampton in 2021. The result also set the new record for the biggest away win in the history of English top-flight football. Leicester started the match in third, level with Chelsea on 17 points but ahead on goal difference. Southampton were in 17th place, tied on 8 points with Newcastle United but also ahead on goal difference. Ben Chilwell opened the scoring in the 10th minute. Ryan Bertrand of Southampton was dismissed for a studs-up challenge in the build-up to the goal, confirmed by VAR 2 minutes later. Leicester were 3-0 up by the 19th minute, thanks to Youri Tielemans and Ios Perez. Perez added the fourth on the 39th minute, with Jamie Vardy scoring on the stroke of half-time to send Leicester into the break ahead 5-0. Perez completed his hat-trick on the 57th minute, with Vardy adding his second and Leicester's 7th a minute later. James Maddison scored a 85th minute free kick before Jamie Vardy completed his own hat-trick with a penalty 4 minutes into stoppage time. The final whistle blasted after the penalty was made. It was only the second time in Premier League history that two players scored a hat-trick for one team in the same game, last coming in an Arsenal 6-1 win over Southampton on the 7th of May 2003 with Jermaine Pennant and Robert Perez scoring 3 goals apiece. Man of the match, Jamie Vardy. Assistant referees, Scott Ledger, Simon Long. Fourth official, Andrew Madley. Video assistant referee, Mike Dean. Assistant video assistant referee, Andy Halliday. Match rules. Leicester moved up to second in the table, while Southampton dropped to 18th. As the match took place 2 days before the first anniversary of the 2018 Leicester helicopter crash, several players dedicated the win to their late owner, Vichai Srivardhanaprabha, who died in that incident. Southampton players and coaching staff later donated their wages from the day of the game to a charity run by the club, Saints Foundation. Later that season, the two sides would play each other again in the return fixture at the King Power Stadium. In January 2020, Southampton went on to win the match 2-1, gaining revenge for their previous humiliation.